Hi, hello, good morning, and welcome you all to the 48th episode of Business Bytes with Bhavana. Okay, after a short break, we are back today with our member guest for the day, Balaji Meda Garu, who is into insurance and a lot of other financial services. He is the founder of Moneyplant Financial Services. Let me invite him without much delay. Good morning, Balaji sir.
Good morning, all. Namaskaram andarki.
Namaste, sir. How are you doing today?
Yeah, very good. I'm more excited about this online.
Definitely, sir. So, in the 48th episode of Business Bites with Bhavna, we are talking to Mr. Balaji Meda Garu from Moneyplant Financial Services. In today's episode, we will explore why everybody has to have an insurance. Why should we have an insurance through an agent only and not other means, maybe? And why he came into this industry. He has a vast experience of 15 years doing in this industry. So let us listen from him more tips, more about his company and how he's been doing in this organization. So, Balaji sir, what made you come into this stream of insurance?
First, good morning, all. See, whenever we choose any business, we need to be more professional and more established like that, and need not to be a part-time or something like that. So when I started this business by 2006, I'm more excited.
Okay.
So with that, at that situation, the market was doing very good. So the market-related products was doing very fine. After some time, 2008, market crashed. So by that time, all people were leaving the profession and searching for some other things. So in that time, I also thought whether to continue or to search some other profession or job. So I found the opportunity in this profession because most of the people, almost all at 2008, 50% of the agents have left the profession.
Okay.
So I thought whoever left, they might have some of the other kind of clients. Those clients need some of the other services. So I found the opportunity at that time and I enhanced my business by having office, employees, and adding some more products into my portfolio.
Okay.
So like that, I have enhanced my business. And from then, I have not seen any backdrop or something like that. Every day by day, I'm growing my business. And it is very interesting now.
Wonderful to know about your journey. Like you never gave up in your career of these many years. So that is a nice thing to know. I mean, they say slow and steady wins the race, right? So you have been consistent, and consistency is really important in anything we do. So being consistent is also very important. And absolutely well said, sir.
And while doing also, we need to search some of the things. See, it is just by persistency also won't help. We need to get a professional and more knowledge about that business. And so that I have attended and done several certification programs on this insurance and personality development. So I learned more about the consumer behavior and the product knowledge. So with that, I'm more stabilized in this business.
Oh, that's really nice to know. So it's just not usually when you talk, especially about insurance, people take it light. Oh, okay, insurance agent. That is what you're saying. Like, it's not being insurance agent for the sake of being an insurance agent. But if you take that as a mainstream, then there is a lot of things to achieve there as well. I mean, you can do great in that field as well.
Yes.
Right. Absolutely. Rightly said, sir. In any profession, I think that is what is much needed. Understanding your clients, understanding their mindset, and then pitching in the product services to them. Absolutely, sir.
Yes.
So we have our audience watching live. A very good morning to all of you as well. Our founder Anil Gupta garu is wishing us good morning. Very good morning. Sangarsh, good morning, Antunaru. Imadi
Good
Ramesh garu.
morning, all.
Happy morning, Balaji and Bhavana garu antunnaru. Very good morning, sir. Naveen Ratnam
Good morning,
is
all.
hello Balaji sir antunnaru.
Good
Happy
morning, all.
Shweta garu. Happy morning, Bhavna and Balaji garu. Good morning to all WeVysya members and viewers antunnaru. Naveen garu. Kamal garu, informative session antunnaru. Raghuram sir is wishing happy morning. A very good morning to all of you, and thanks for joining us live today morning while we are talking to Mr. Balaji Meda garu in the 48th episode of Business Bytes with Bhavna. So let's see a couple of scenarios why we need insurance, right? I'll just play a couple of videos. Just watch it and think about what you feel like why insurance is needed. You can drop your thoughts after you see the video in the comment section.
इतने महीनों बाद मिल रही हो। मुंबई कब आई?
बस 2 दिन पहले।
मेरी कल ही प्रिया से बात हुई और वो बता रही थी कि फ्लड्स में तुम्हारे घर सामान का काफ़ी नुकसान हुआ था।
हाँ यार, काफ़ी बुरा था।
बताया तो होता। बुरे वक्त में अच्छे दोस्त ही तो काम आते हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल, पर तुझे पता है उस बुरे वक्त में तुम्हारे जैसा एक अच्छा दोस्त ही मेरे काम आया।
अच्छा, कौन?
इंश्योरेंस। मैंने ना प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योरेंस लेके मकान और सामान दोनों का बीमा करवा लिया था और आगे जाके यही काम आया।
प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योरेंस करा के मेहनत से बनाई घर संपत्ति को सुरक्षित बनाना है जरूरी। बीमा है जरूरी।
Yes. So Balaji sir. Okay, so anybody wants to comment anything in the comment section, ask any questions or say anything, you can definitely do that. Raghuram sir is wishing us business good morning, and Sanjay good morning antunaru. Business Bytes and Balaji and Bhavna antunaru. Okay. So with the video, what do we understand? It's unpredictable. Anytime anything can happen, right?
Yeah. Yes. See, in human life, why we need insurance. See, in video we seen that maybe you are safe driver and driving. The other person has done some mistake, because of that you are suffering. So like that, in every human being, there are several kind of risks involved in that. Like that, I deal with whatever human being risks. First, I will deal with mutual funds. With mutual funds, I am associated with all the AMCs. With that, I will give them whichever fund they are looking for, and I can suggest. And in life insurance, I am associated with several companies. With that, I can give comprehensive coverages like term insurance, traditional policies, unit-linked insurance plans. So like that, whatever they are looking, I can suggest them. And general insurance. In general insurance, there are several kind of risks involved. Means in general insurance, how it can cover is, we can categorize like individuals, means all individual people. And they may require vehicle insurance, health insurance, personal accident insurance, travel insurance. And there will be some more professionals. They may need professional indemnity insurance. And small business owners, they are running shop or something like that. Their shop, fire insurance, burglary insurance, and fidelity insurance. And some are maybe running big corporates. So for them, their project, fire insurance, burglary insurance, and for their employees, group health insurance, group personal accident insurance, and employers' liability insurance, and liability insurances. There are product liability insurance, public liability insurance, and there may be manufacturing, and for that they need some products, and those are all covered in marine insurance. They can cover all their transits. Maybe they are getting products from others, also can be covered, and they are moving products from their factory to the dealers or some other countries, wherever they are moving, and even those can be covered. And they may be conducting some events, even those events also can be covered, the liability, whatever arises from the events. So like this, there are vast products. So knowing these products is not just easy. Some people may think, what is the insurance? I just go to the website or wherever I need. They will go. As per their knowledge, they will go and search. And they don't know what they want and exactly what coverages, what risk they are facing, and that risk, how reasonably can be covered. Because I deal with several insurance companies, I can get competitive rates and better terms and conditions. See, like in better terms and conditions means, see, every product with every company, different terms will be there. Maybe it looks similar to the customer. Customer don't know what is the difference between this term and that term. See, for example, I will tell you, we are all seen health insurance. In health insurance, the major concern, the people don't know, maybe they are reading it, room rent restriction, 1% of the sum assured, or single standard AC room. And some companies say no restriction. The people don't know the difference between 1% of the sum assured and the no restriction. See, when you get hospitalized, 75% of the hospitalization is controlled by that single word. So people should know, because being a professional, and we know what it impacts, that word, and according to the customers or prospects requirements, and they're looking into their lifestyles, what kind of business they are running, and what is their lifestyle, and what is their living style, and which kind of hospitals they can go. So there are several things to be shared and discussed. With that, we will come to a conclusion about your profile. So with that profile, we suggest which kind of products you need to have, what are all conditions you can avail. So which restrictions will allow you if you are looking only a premium, with what condition your premium may go down. So like that, we can suggest several things. Whether you go online directly to the company or through agent, no difference will be there. If you have any professional agents, they will add some or the other things to your product without any loading. See, when you have raise any claims or when you need any product, in that product, really it suits to your requirement or not, or whether it suits your, it matches your premium, or it suits your requirement. Like that, we can see several things and suggest. So always it will be a better going with agent.
So I mean, you, I think, very clearly, nicely explained why it is important to have an policy with agents rather than going and online exploring, because we are not experts in that field, and I think you have been doing a study, I mean, adding knowledge to yourself through various ways, and definitely I think you will definitely be able to do more justice to whatever we are investing in. And yeah, if we see even on the
Yes.
financials, might be there will be slight differences, but
Yes.
that is very less, very minute compared to what benefit we are going to get with an agent when we really come through that scenario of having insurance, or getting knowledge about it or things like that, right? Definitely,
Yes.
definitely, sir. Balaji sir, could you please come little closer to the camera? Yeah, this is better, I think. Yeah, thank you so much. So Sanjay Garu is saying so many varieties of insurances. Maybe not many are even aware that we have so many types of insurances, the insurance products in the market, right?
Yes.
It's like an eye opener, whatever you said to many of us, like, because we being in the businesses, right? Might be people, it might help people in various ways, because some places
Yes.
it is really needed to get things insured, like, like you're sending it to some other places and things like that. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Sangarsh, Sangarsh is saying
For
insurance is very important and it becomes very easy to buy from Mr. Balaji. It was a very smooth process, as simple as buying a product from Amazon. 10 minutes, my insurance was done. He guides us properly and suggests us the best policy. Thank you once again, sir. Any Sangarsh is telling. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Sangarsh,
Sangarsh.
for that valuable feedback. That really helps.
That is what my add-ons. See, I will understand first your requirements.
Yes.
See, being in this industry and getting more and more knowledge about these products, we know what are all your requirements. To match that requirements, what we need to suggest. See, always it will be a better going with a professional.
Yes.
Why means you save your money as well as your time also. See,
absolutely.
Coming through us, we don't burden you more. Means if you go direct online, the same price, for example, 100 rupees. If you go through us, the product cost will be 100 rupees. Because I am doing with several companies, I will match all your premiums. You can get any quote, whether online or any money. I will match that. And I will match your required terms and conditions also.
Yes.
For example, Sanjay are doing glass industry. See, that glass industry, maybe he is transporting one place to other place. Whether that transit is covered or not, how will it covered? So, whether anybody covers glass and what are all covers they will cover, he don't know. If while transiting, some damage happens, at that time, only the owners, maybe the seller or buyer has to bear all the risk, whatever damage happens. So by paying a very nominal fee, maybe 100, 200 rupees, he can insure that. The cost, maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees, he can insure. So like that, there are several products looking into your risk. And even we consider your premium paying capacity also. It is not that you want to spend 100 rupees. We don't give you or we don't pressurize you to spend 200 rupees. By 100 rupees only, we will suggest better policies.
Definitely, definitely, sir.
So you save money and as well as time.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So today, the 48th episode of Business Bytes with Bhavana, we are talking to Shri Balaji Meda Garu, who is into Moneyplant financial services, having a vast knowledge about insurances, various kinds of insurances. So you can just have a word with him to explore what is needed for your businesses. You can contact him at 988-033-4431. Make a note of his contact details, 988-033-4431. And just have a word and understand, like, do you have sufficient insurances for yourself, your family, your businesses, your products, your day-to-day activities that you're doing? Should you be careful or take care anywhere which can help you with a little of investment, maybe a huge savings it can bring you in a longer term, maybe. So if somebody still has questions in mind or want to understand, like, what else is needed for yourself or your business, definitely I think have a word and try to at least explore what is need it, and then you can decide to definitely take it forward, or invest in whatever is needed specifically for you. Right. So, Raghavendra Lakur garu, good morning, all antunaru. Satyanarayana sir is saying, good morning, Bhavana and Balaji. He is very experienced and seasoned. We can say, in other words, he is Guru antunaru. Thank you so much,
Thank
Satyanarayana
you,
sir.
sir.
All right. Definitely. Nice compliments, nice feedbacks. I mean, that speaks for you, Balaji sir, like, how well
Yes.
versed you are in the industry. I mean, so anybody who's willing to take an insurance, now we understand the importance of communicating, interacting with a specific person, agent, and understanding what it is actually, and then buying a policy rather than simply going online and buying a policy. So I think let us support our insurance agents, whoever is doing the insurance business. Let us support them, and let us help them to grow more and more, while we also get benefited. Right? Yes, Balaji sir. Anything else you want to share?
See, by gaining knowledge, it just did not come to me. I have spent lakhs of rupees to gain this knowledge.
Yes.
With this knowledge, even I have gained more than 1,000 individual clients. So with that, I am doing very great job. Since 15 years, I am doing very good job. And with that job, business, I am also recognized by the company. At least 2 international trips I am moving. Fully sponsored by the companies. It is just not happening with the support of my policy holders or my clients, with their help, and even I have helped their families very much. And I can proudly say that as of my since 15.5 years experience, I never come across any issues with their policies. It means when anybody bought policy, while claiming, they face several issues. Yes. Being intermediary, I resolve all the issues, and I don't let the issue go to some other level, means getting to disputes like consumer courts or ombudsman. Not even my one single client have moved to consumer court or ombudsman, because whatever policy they buy, at the time I will explain all the things, and I will understand better my clients, which kind of terms they will suit, and which kind of premium they will match, and what kind of terms it will be suiting to their requirement. And when claim arises also, I will explain better. See how it should be happening, how it will happen, and what and all you need to have, what company requires. So every time by time, I will suggest the clients to produce whatever requirements. With that, I will see the clients get on time their claims. See, for that example, I can say during this pandemic, I never had any issue with my clients. All the policies, all the claims got settled as of now, and no claim is under dispute.
Absolutely. So, when they're buying, only when you have explained all the terms well, I think even the clients will be well aware of it, and it's just again you reiterate during the claims, so that will be helpful for clients also, and you also. You've made their life easy, so there is no chance for getting issues in that journey. Maybe that's really wonderful that you've been doing, sir. And it's really nice to hear about the recognitions and the rewards that you have got in this your journey. Like a lot of them you have achieved. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So, anything else you would like to share with our audience, Balaji sir?
See, I suggest maybe they are accessible to me or not. Please get an access to their and have continuous contact with their agents, because only agents can save them in their difficult times, means on claims. See, for example, one of my clients, garments manufacturer, they were exporting their finished goods, means their garments to Europe countries.
Okay.
See, when they are moving, and there is a procedure. First, they need to transport to the port, and in port, some days will be till the marine, till the ship comes. In the port only, it will be stored for some time. Whether while they are storing in the port, once some floods have come and their total stock got destroyed.
Okay.
So while doing that, I have observed that, and I have got insured. In storing in their port also, I have insured, because we can understand, and even I know that to move to other countries, what are all the risks involved, and where and all the stocks get stored or get delayed, and what will be the concerns. So with that knowledge only, I have got insured, and with that, the client got full claim of around 50 lakhs. It is not just, see, these are all risks. What I know, by discussing client, we will understand and what kind of risks are involved. I made them in the policy. While buying policy, I made that policy wordings also covered. Otherwise, generally that won't be covered. See, storing, intermediary storages are not covered.
Okay.
Only movement only covered. In storage in ports are not covered. So like that, we will understand better with the clients. Please, I will suggest to go to the advisors or agents, whomever. They will be helpful to you. They never cheat you or bluff you. They will always save you. So
definitely.
Even in pandemic also, see, once before last year, 20 July, the bills were very huge. Every claim, whoever getting admitted for corona, was just 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and no control on that hospital bills.
Correct.
Like that, with me also, one of my clients got admitted into one big hospital in Bangalore, and his claim was 25 lakhs.
Okay.
Without any hassles, I got it cleared, cashless.
Okay.
And even he is very, yes, in that pandemic time, no one having money with them. And by that time, even their friends also don't have money to help him. Even there, several queries have come, and I will be there and I will get it resolved. And I got them 25 lakhs claim. With that, he also very, he also very impressed, and now with this confidence, there are several claims. They just blindly go whatever I say, and they don't even see second opinion also. Sir, whatever you say, we will go ahead. Like that, I have gained several people confidence. With that confidence, I am also doing this profession very great, and I am also enjoying my life. It is not that I am only serving the people. I am also enjoying my life.
Yeah. Nice to hear that, sir. I mean, it's not very easy, like, when it is huge claims and, challenging cases, challenging claims and all. Only if you have in-depth knowledge, it becomes easy to get that settled. Otherwise, I think even the agents will struggle in that scenarios. Nice to hear that you could help a lot of people in the right way, positive way, and have gained a lot of clients with good confidence in you. That's really nice to know, Balaji sir. I think anybody who's still looking for insurances and want to go with a trusted person and do not have much knowledge maybe, and you're just looking for, why should I take this policy or that policy, or to what amount I have to get it insured, and more questions might be running in the mind. I think do not worry, just contact our Balaji sir from Moneyplant Financial Services. He's reachable at 9880334431, and you can just have a word, WhatsApp him, message him, and he will be more than happy to interact with you, understand your requirement, suggest you the best policies, and definitely he'll help you do the best in terms of insurances that is needed for self, family, business, and everything that is needed. Right. So, Balaji sir, thank you so much.
Another one thing I can say. See, one of my client distributor he was. See, he has several salesmen, and those salesmen are not confidential. Means several people will come from various places. He cannot control whatever he collects that money. So, see, we discussed what kind of business he does and what are all his movements and transactions happens. So, I made the fidelity insurance. It covers the salesman. He goes for collection or sale, and he returns back with money. If he don't return to the office with that money, what we are going to do? I have suggested him fidelity insurance, and I made that. I got them purchased, and with that, he is very peacefully can appoint anyone. He need not to have references, and he need not to verify his residence, total places to send for collections, because he send and gets daily nearly 5 lakh rupees each and every salesman, and he cannot rely on that, and he cannot trust them.
Correct.
So after buying that policy, I said you can blindly you can say safe. Whatever misrepresentation or things happens, it will be covered. So he don't bother about his credibility, whether he will referred by any known person or he won't go and verify his places, all the things. So like that, according to their business or their profession or their individual life, I will suggest policies. With that, they can easily, peacefully, they can live life.
Yes, definitely, sir. That is what is much needed.
That is why my quotation is, I'm Balaji Meda, wealth protector. I make people feel safer and secured. That is what my tagline. With me, I make people feel safer and secured.
Definitely, Balaji sir. We have been hearing this, and I'm sure like you have been doing great there. Thank you so much for bringing in this knowledge to people about different types of insurances, and why is it important, for what kind of things also we have insurance. I think this is really important to at least know. It might be we don't use it immediately, but any time in life we might need this. It's really an eye-opener session, and thank you so much for educating our audience and myself with all of the knowledge that you have gained in insurance industry over these many years. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for welcoming me and doing nice interaction with you, Bhavana. And it was very wonderful talking to you. And you have grabbed my more knowledge to know the customers what kind of knowledge required. See, it is not just I cannot explain. See, you have digged my knowledge and explored to the people. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much, sir. So, Balaji sir, how has your experience with WeVysya been in these many years?
See, in WeVysya, I feel very comfortable and friendly nature. See, with all whoever people are members are there, we will have decent interactions, and with that, more confidence increases.
Yes.
More confidence arises. So that is first we need to have. So with that, we can do good business. Once our confidence level are more, we can do very good business. So because of that, these physical meets help very much. And not only physical meets, once upon a time, these other festivals or some other events going there. And with that, we can have good relationship with our all other co-members. Yes. So it helped me even see. Earlier, I also was not very comfortable mingling with other people. Now, these associations, WeVysya, something such kind of things, made me move very closely and very fastly. I was taking earlier some little bit time to move or mingle with others.
Okay.
So with these experiences, we immediately get connected.
Definitely,
So
definitely. So it has
we
helped
need to
you.
be associated with like this.
Yeah. Nice to hear that it has helped you increase your confidence and easily gel with people and interact
Yes.
and into a group, and probably you can step up yourself and make comfortable with anybody, talk to them, and definitely, sir. I think that's a good add-on. Thank you so much for sharing that experience with us, and thank you so much for being part of the show today, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all for listening me patiently. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right. So today, in the 48th episode, we spoke to Balaji Garu and understood the importance of insurances and taking it from the known people. So if you are an Aryavaishya and you have a business and you're still not part of the WeVysya family, I think now is the time. Just visit www.wevyysya.com or just reach us, and we will be able to help you out with joining the family of WeVysya. Right, as usual, before I sign off for the day, the quote for today, right? So, we can do anything that we set our mind for, right? You can do anything you set your mind for. So, make up your mind rightly to do whatever you want to do. Set your mind in the right direction with right thoughts and, with right things, positive things. And definitely, we will be able to achieve whatever we plan to achieve. You can do anything you set your mind to do, right? Okay, while I say this, I'm signing off. Yours, Bhavana. I'll meet you all tomorrow again, sharp 7:30, with another member, another business that we're going to talk about. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day today.